How did 3 men get killed by toxic fumes? The story from Salt Pond, St. Catherine. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, bizarre double murder in Johns Hall, St. James.
The latest on the weather. Where did it cause flooding?
A fisherman fears for his friends after they meet stormy weather.
The Works Agency on how the rains affected the roads.
And in business news, what the opening of Cuba means for tourism in Jamaica.
There's also sports commentary, e-prime and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Did you take the storm warning seriously?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.